doing?
What's up?
Oof, what a f***ing mess. Oh.
You can't polish a turd. But it's not, though.
Right here.
It's not a turd.
Come on, finish this mechanical asshole. Get the air chisel and just come in through here and cut it straight across. You understand what I'm saying?
Oh, you don't want to cut it up here. That's right.
I need you to get rid of this piece first.
Yes.
And then you can cut the one behind it that goes straight across right here.
You got it.
All right? Here,
See,
give me the scissors.
Wait.
Yo.
Today's Monday.
Don't remind me.
Okay. What was yesterday?
Sunday.
Good. You know what I did on Sunday? The cameraman had 2 days off. Right?
So?
You know, it's Saturday, it's a weekend. He wants to go
do?
watch basketball or something, right?
He's into basketball.
I did this.
So you patched all this?
I patched this. I know, I still have to finish grinding it. I know that, but there you have it.
Well, compared to the shit you pulled off, is the old piece around?
It's
Man,
there it is.
Look at this.
You can't leave that.
Terrible.
And look, I put the ridges
And
back
you went,
in it.
see, he went from fresh metal to fresh metal perfectly. This is surface rust. That's not start now. But he went from fresh metal to fresh metal. That's the way you do it.
Now, I put, see this? This isn't just a flat piece of metal that just curves.
Yeah, you got
see,
two
it's
grooves
got
in
little
there.
grooves. And I put them exactly back.
Well, it's important to do all that because you want the body lines to match up with the top of the panel so that on the inside,
Right.
when you're done, it's like it was never rotted. So now, anyway, let's finish all this stuff here. No, that's enough! No, one more. No, that's enough!
I'm taking the fender off the Pontiac because the rocker panel goes past the fender, the brace, and turns. So this, to do the job right, you gotta take the fender off. Right? To take the fender off, the hinge is bolted to the fender. So you gotta take the hood hinge apart, the bumper, the headlight bezel, the grill, and so on. Okay. The trick is do it with both wrenches and it'll come off 10 times faster. Told you get the air gun, but you didn't want to get it.
Is that so?
I really don't need it though, actually. It's coming off pretty easily.
Lazy, bro. You're lazy.
No, it's coming off. See?
You ready?
Just hold it.
You got all the bolts off on this side?
No, one's still holding on that side.
Come on, quick, come on!
Don't break it!
Pull,
no!
pull, it's off. All right.
Mint condition. Don't slam it!
Yeah!
F you! The plan is I want to take this whole header panel off. I want to take it off all in one piece. Hey, Pops!
Yo.
Pops!
Yo.
Pops!
Yo.
Come here.
Yes. All right, you ready to take it off? You got all the bolts off?
Got all the bolts off. This Phillips head and that Phillips head on that side.
Well, here, go ahead.
So hold the
take
middle.
this off, I'll hold it, and you go take the other side.
You got it. Good old rusty bolts, huh?
I sure hope you do.
You good? Cameraman, you good? Alright, ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Hold it tight and humble. Hold it.
Go ahead. Oh, man. Some of those people out there see this thing, they're going to come and hang it up on their wall.
You know?
Give me.
There you go. Don't!
Alright, now it's time to clean up, by the way. Alright? Find a nice home for all this stuff. You're
Warehouse.
going to need it again.
Probably put it in the
Go
warehouse.
put everything somewhere altogether.
Alright. Now,
What a
we're on
fucking
to
mess.
the Vulture fender.
Please don't make me throw up. Zach, what are you doing?
I'm working on Pontiac.
What are you doing now?
Well, right now I'm doing a body mount because, of course, that was rotted out too.
Let's take a look.
This goes through here.
Right.
Right?
That's going to connect what?
this is gonna connect the body mount to the body.
Yeah.
Frame to the body to the frame. And that's
Now put it
because
down.
let's say I just go drag racing without this.
Oh yeah, drag racing. Yeah, you'll be on the track in no time.
Listen, let's say I just go down the track with no bolt here and this is rotted out. You're gonna get a buckle and it's gonna hang right here. I don't know.
It's an X-frame car to get cracks on top of the quarters because they're built
like
like
64s Impala, like a 64 Impala, when they get old, that's the first thing that happens. You got a crack right down the
ass of the car is so long that it weighs itself downward.
This is actually a wide
You know
track
why?
car.
It's a piece of shit.
No, this is a wide track car. This actually got Car of the Year in 1959.
What is it, wider than a regular one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's that much more rust to fix.
Oh, please. It's a Pontiac. So, see, this piece is welded to this piece that I made, right?
Right.
And it goes all the way up there.
It's technically the frame of the body, I guess.
Basically, so the trunk pan does not come with it, so I had to make it myself.
The
Now,
what?
don't forget.
The trunk pan?
No, the piece I just showed you.
Oh, I see. The frame part.
then-
They don't make them for this turd.
They don't.
They don't.
They don't,
You're right.
because it's not really a common
So
part
everybody
that
hates
rots
this
out.
piece of shit.
It's not really, I guess. So I got a trunk pan coming, got rocker panels, but that's over there.
Let's talk about this.
Let's talk about this. Right. Made a piece that goes from here
Right.
all the way over here.
So you basically took the old
And that's
one
going to
out.
be like
sort of
the
in pieces?
inner structure of the quarter panel, so the bottom of the quarter panel doesn't flop around.
Well, that's one of them. Then isn't there one that comes
That's
down?
right. It goes from here to there.
Okay,
It comes
okay.
down. This is actually thicker metal than
All the other
all
patches.
the other patches and
All
all
right,
that
it's a
kind of
strengthened
stuff.
piece. That one
And
too?
that one too, yeah. And then the bolt's gonna go here. The nut's gonna get welded down here. So the nut's gonna get welded here.
Oh, so the
completely.
nut's getting welded
The
to
nut's
this
getting
piece
welded
here.
to the
It's going to get welded to the structure.
And then
that's
all you
gonna
have
be
to
your
do
body
is
mount.
bolt the bolt in from the bottom. So all these structural pieces that I made, the trunk pan is going to be covering them all.
And you can get a trunk pan.
It's coming. It's already on its way.
Okay, good.
I got inner rockers, outer rockers, trunk pan, floors, and then
Quarter panel, roof panel, windshield, back window,
Actually, they-
axle, frame, bumpers, tail
Hey,
lights,
actually,
headlights,
I don't know if-
hood, front fenders.
this is
You
actually
need everything.
a good rear. This is a Pontiac /
Yeah, that's all it's worth.
Oldsmobile. It's a posi though. Turn
That's
one wheel,
all
they
this
all
car's
turn
worth.
together.
It wasn't worth more than like $70 that they paid you to take it out of there. What's going on now?
Well, I just cut a piece of metal. See this?
Right.
You know where this goes?
No.
Come here. This slides into here.
Oh, yeah.
Onto here. See?
Oh,
And you know what this
yeah.
piece does?
So, wait, you're going to just weld it on? That's not factory.
I'm gonna put a lip. See this? That's
Okay.
what these lines are.
Are you going to bend it in?
I'm gonna bend
like
it
a
in.
factory looking thing?
Yes. I don't think people really know what this piece does. This piece
Yeah.
is the inner structure for the quarter panel. This way the quarter panel, you know how it comes down here? It doesn't
Right.
flop around. This holds it. This way, you know, it connects to the trunk floor. And
Okay, yeah, makes sense.
so,
There's a name for all these, whatever they are. So what's going to actually, how is it going to connect to the actual skin that you made, the quarter panel skin? What's going to connect?
well, when this is like this, pretend there's a lip here already. I'm gonna have like a 1-inch in, and there's gonna be another lip.
Folds
that
in
folds
this way.
in
That's how it is
that
on,
way.
on
Yeah.
like a,
That's
a
why-
regular one of these?
That's why I didn't cut that side apart yet, because I'm using that side as a reference for all my
You're trying to
measurements.
copy.
Right, because this side there was.
So don't poke at anything on that side, because if it shatters apart like this side, you're not going to know how any of the car goes together.
Come here. Ah, it's a lot
Yeah.
better.
Ah, that's destroyed too, but it's not bad like that side.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
You got fresh metal here, like right up to this point
Yes,
right here. That's
exactly,
Like that.
yes.
You got fresh.
I don't have to cut the whole quarter panel off.
Yeah,
That's
you
the
look at
frame
the
of
back,
quarter
here we
panel.
go again.
I don't know what the old owner did. I don't know if he was trying to make an extra sale because it's so soft and slippery.
Yeah, I know.
He put some kind of oils on there or something.
Yeah, I can only imagine what.
So yesterday, this is what I did because this piece over here,
Right.
this inner rocker, they don't make new. They make this inner rocker skin that comes over here. Then
Not
goes
there.
The rocker.
The skin is the door jamb.
What?
They don't make nothing that goes in here.
Right. I had to fabricate this. So
But
this,
what they make goes from in the door jamb.
from in the door jamb. So this piece I have to make new, but this piece goes all the way in the front and curves. It's all rotted out in the front
Well,
too.
of course it's rotted out.
So I had to take the fender off, the inner fender, the hood.
Right here. This is all one piece. It goes all the way down the side of the car.
So I had to take almost the whole nose off. That was fun.
Let's
Good
hope
old
the other
rusty
side
bolts.
doesn't need any of this, because
No,
this is
I
you're
think so.
fabricating, right?
Yeah, yeah.
All right. Well, come on. Let's
To
go.
be
Get to it.
continued while taking over.
Am I gonna see this piece on here today or no?
Well, I hope so. It's, I don't know. What is it? 3 o'clock? I hope so.
Come on. Let's go. How's it look?
Good.
All right, so you welded this on. Now you just got to do the bottom, right? All right, so this is just tack welding in
This is
place.
just tack.
This is the piece you were telling
That's
us
the
about.
piece. Exactly.
And this is the other piece
That's
you're
the
telling
other
you about.
piece.
And that's the other one. And then that's the other nut.
Basically.
So now, what's the next step?
Next step is to get rid of this thing.
Now you got to wait for the part to come in because
Basically.
they have it, right? Then you got to do all this bullshit all on this other side.
Yep. No, you gotta do it. You gotta do it. Don't.
Taking over.
No, not yet. Forgot. Wait. Hold on. Something came in for you. Hold on.
Something came in for me?
Yes.
What is that?
This is a box. It's Christmas, Thanksgiving.
That's a nice holiday. Oh, well, look at who we have, what we have here. Oh, look at the decorative. Really?
You know why he made it red?
Yeah, but
The
let me
Pontiac.
see. Is this? Oh, yeah. This is like the one I had. Look, this is kind of like the one he sent me the first time, but it's
Yeah.
different color. That's beautiful.
You got a lighter.
Check these out. What do they call these? 5
Cigars.
Cigars.
15. 5 minutes.
On a bad day. Zoom, 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 zoom.
These are all 15 minutes.
We got some dark ones. Look at the beautiful designs on these things. I've been smoking these for a while now, and I have no complaints. When you bring home a piece of shit like that, I get to smoke a nice Kiki Momo cigar, and I get to relax a little while.
Oh, I forgot to tell you.
Oh.
I picked up another car. It's on its way.
At least I can relax a half hour at a
I'm
time.
just kidding.
At least I can relax a half hour at a time.
15 minutes.
15 minutes now.
It never changes.
Now I'll stock up my cigar toolbox, right?
Let me see. Show us your cigar toolbox.
Well, here.
So,
It's running a little low, I said. These I feel bad to smoke because they're so beautiful. Look at how nice they are. They got little stars and like little lines. Then we got this one, but they're so nice looking. You know what I mean? I don't want to use them.
check this out.
Look at this one. See this
then-
one here? See that? Well, I'm out of these. These are the darker ones, the bigger cigars. And then I got all these cigars in here. I got my lighters in here. I got my cutters in here. Nope. I got my cutters in here. Okay. Now, with that being said, I'm exhausted. And
No! People
Why?
are complaining. They want to see aggressive
complaining?
one.
an aggressive.
The followers and the people. Harder! 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 Like this.
Like what? You're standing there.
You're angry gorilla.